All right, here's my pride and joy. I have wanted to build a cabin like this since I was a kid. So this is 480 square feet. It is 24 foot in length and 20 foot in width with an 8-foot full length deck. It is powered by 3,200 watts of solar. It is scalable, so you could add more solar if you wanted. Let's see here. They are just now getting in the sun this morning, so not putting out very much, but there is 8 400 watt panels up there. Right here on the back, sidestep right here. This is your generator input. If you end up in bad weather and we're not getting enough solar input, you can run the cabin off the generator as well as recharge the battery bank, which I'll show you when we step inside. Here is your propane input. New owner can put whatever size tank they want there, suit their needs. This is the pump house. We got a 2,000 gallon storage tank. Here is the pump and filtration system right in there with an extra circuit there to be able to run a heater to help maintain things in the pump house. Septic system is placed right back here. And then we got lateral lines and a gray water line running here. So the gray water line dumps out on the end, and you could tie that into another tank for water in a garden or greenhouse or something like that, with plenty of area down there below to be able to add a greenhouse. And then here's our gutter system. It's coming off the front there, comes over, and we got the one coming off the back here. They tee in and go into the top of this 2,000 gallon tank. All right, we got solar lights on the steps here. And then this string of lights up here is all solar powered as well. Got a little camp lantern on the front porch. And you've got a really pretty view to wake up to out there. Camera doesn't do it justice. All right, come inside. Here on the right, you've got the living room. And over here, we got the kitchen. Bedroom. Then this is our solar closet. So underneath this shelf, you can add more batteries and scale this particular sized unit up to 30 kilowatts of battery storage. Right now it's at 10. And then if you were so inclined, you could actually add another system and stack it with this and get you up to 60 kilowatts of battery storage. Your solar input from the roof is coming in down here and plugs into the side of your unit. You've got an extra circuit here on the side to be able to charge the unit if you're running the house off of a generator and you need to recharge things. 50 amp cord is what is running our main circuit panel here. And then we do have a generator lockout up here, so if you are running off of the generator outside, you are able to lock out the system safely. Stackable washer and dryer. That is a gas heated dryer. Propane on-demand water heater, and then a propane wall heater as well. All right, that's all. See you next time.